Today we are going to discuss about degree of a polynomial in one variable. This is a polynomial with one variable. Only the variable is x. What is the degree of this variable? The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable in that polynomial. If we consider this polynomial 9x raised to 6 plus 7x raised to 4 minus 3x plus 5. In this the highest power is 6. That means the degree of this polynomial can be represented as p of x, and the degree of this polynomial is 6. Now consider this polynomial. This is a polynomial 5. 5 can be written as 5x raised to 0. Then what is the degree of this polynomial? 0. That means degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Now what is the degree of a polynomial more than one variable? Consider a polynomial 5x raised to 5 y raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 4 y plus 10xy. This is a polynomial with in two variables, that x and y. There are two variables. Then what is its degree? The polynomial with more than one variable and its degree is the highest sum of the powers of the variable in each term of the variable. Simply consider this term. Here two variables x and y, and its power, the power of x is 5 and the power of y is 4. And what is the power of this term? 5 plus 4. That sum of the powers 9. Then consider next term. Here the power of x is 4, power of y is 1. Now that means the power of this term is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Here the power is x raised to 1, y raised to 1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Now the highest power is 9. So the degree of this polynomial is 9. Consider these polynomials. Now we are trying to find out the degree of these polynomials. First polynomial is root 5. What is its degree? Root 5 can be written as root 5 x raised to 0. That we already said that the degree of a non-zero constant is 0. So the degree of root 5, the polynomial root 5 is 0. Next is x raised to 0. Degree is also 0. Now consider this polynomial x square minus 2x minus 2. Here 3 terms, x square minus 2x minus 2, 2x 2. And what is the degree of this polynomial? The highest power of variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Now consider the next polynomial root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7m minus 10. It's clear. The highest power of m is 10. So the degree of this polynomial is 10. Next is 2p minus root 7, 2p square minus root 7p minus 1. What is its degree? 2. Now consider this one. 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5 minus 5. The highest power of, in which term the variable has highest power? This variable, this term. So the power of this polynomial is 5. Now consider this one. xyz plus xy minus z minus 3. this is a polynomial in 3 variables. X, Y and Z are the variables. So how we can find the degree of this polynomial? Consider term by term. Consider the first term, X, Y, Z. What is it? The degree of this term? X raised to 1, Y raised to 1, Z raised to 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Consider next term. What is its degree? 1 plus 1, 2. And degree of this term is 1. So, which is highest power? 3. So, the degree of this polynomial is 3. Consider the next question. M cube n raised to 7 minus 3m raised to 5n plus mn minus 10. Here this polynomial is polynomial with 2 variables, m and n. So consider each term by term. The power of first term is 3 plus 7, 10. This is 5 plus 1 equal to 6 and this is 1 plus 1, 2. And which is the highest degree? Highest power? 10. So, the degree of this polynomial is 10. In this way, we can find out the degree of a polynomial. Thank you.